Alluvial gold mining continues despite Mthuli Ncube's claims it has ceased. The 11th of September 2025, by a correspondent, Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube has declared that alluvial gold mining has largely ceased across Zimbabwe, but residents in mining-affected communities insist the practice is still rampant. Addressing journalists at a post-cabinet briefing in Harare on Tuesday, Ncube said enforcement of Statutory Instrument 188 of 2024 had made significant progress in eliminating alluvial mining in most provinces. Since alluvial mining has largely ceased, attention has now shifted to the rehabilitation of degraded sites, with liability for the rehabilitation being borne by the perpetrators through the polluter pays principle. To enforce this aspect, the polluter pays principle shall be strengthened through the development of appropriate regulations and the strengthening of the existing legislative framework. The legislative reform shall be expedited to ensure environmental justice and accountability in view of public interest, Ncube said. But his claims drew swift rebuttals from residents who live in gold-rich areas. Ceased where? Boardroom discussions and solutions are terrible always. Go to the ground and talk way forward from a point of experienced knowledge. The rivers are still being dug up. Heap leaching chemicals are still contaminating them and destroying communities. That is Penhalonga, said one resident, who identified himself as proud African. Mangoma Tawanda, at Tawan, also challenged authorities to witness the situation firsthand. Come to Mashava, near Boss Mine Primary School and Chamagwaku Irrigation Scheme. You will thank me later, he wrote. The sharp contrast between official assurances and on-the-ground reports raises questions over whether government is fully aware of the scale of illegal gold mining and whether enforcement measures are truly biting.